Then we all went to a general session, and it was our keynote speaker. It was How to Think Like a Futurist, featuring Sheryl Connelly, the chief futurist.
Okay, for the future design, well, she mentioned a lot of things actually.
Yeah.
She mentioned a lot of important things. I like how when she like introduced herself as a futurist. like people come to her like, what are you doing? Like, seeing my future? Do you know what's going to happen tomorrow?
Yeah.
She's like, no.
All the doodles were hers, she said.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was cool. She's a pretty good drawer.
Yeah.
Or artist.
Yeah, she showed. I even tried to draw whatever.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty good though.
I love how she like not summarized but translate it for us how the futures work.
Yeah.
This, you know, do you remember the circle?
Yep.
Like the word, you, market. That was like really good.
Yeah, she broke it down pretty well because she was starting out in like she went from the world to the region to you, and like how everything is just blended. Like she had us ask ourselves like questions. Like some of the questions were like, how resilient are your plans? Are you prepared for disruption? So for example, everyone uses like 2020 as a disruption. Are you prepared to basically just not like be okay with your plans not going the way that you thought, which was very important, especially during a pandemic.
Sure.
Let me see, what else did I like from her? Oh, one key thing she said was that people are overwhelmed, but we as interior designers create safe havens. I like that piece.
Yeah, I wrote that one.
Yeah, I had to star that one. That was important. And then at the end she said that creativity is our secret weapon. I was like,
yeah, creativity. Also, she said the brain need a break.
Yeah,
that was something really important. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't write that down, but I should.
I'm enjoying whatever she's saying.
No, yeah, she was good. I liked her approach too, like presentation wise. Like it wasn't like boring. It wasn't slideshows. It was like doodles behind her, and she was funny and interactive. And she talked to the crowd and had us raise our hands. She was a good speaker all around.